Hi, this is Mrs. Nancy Gurish. As a website host, I can tell you that being a budding webmaster is the most exciting and challenging work that there could ever be. If you want a job where you continuously challenge your mind, where you constantly have new things to learn, and your future is full of exciting and wonderful new areas to expand your intelligence and glean more and more knowledge, then choose the business of becoming a webmaster, because that's what you'll do. Doesn't that sound like a wonderful opening to this video? It sounds a lot better than what I want to say, which is just when I think I know what's going on with my website, just when I think that I learned a lot about images, alt text, about webmaster help, there's more. And there's more. And just when I think that I understand everything that there is to use to know about HTML coding, there's deeper and there's more. I'm on Google Analytics tools for webmasters, and I read some and I read some and I learn some things, and I'm constantly challenged. And it is a constantly challenging job, but it's a mentally taxing and time devouring and multifaceted job that is a wonderful thing. It's a beautiful way of making an income. Working for yourself is a fantastic thing, but being a website manager or website operator is what I call myself. Many people might call it a webmaster, and I know that I'm a far cry from really being a webmaster. I think once you own all of your pages and you understand all of the script behind the page, and you understand all about, well, the structure of the web page is a lot to understand. Before I would consider myself a webmaster, there's a lot to understand. I'm going to take you with me on my journey of being a webmaster, and for now I call myself a website operator. That's just what feels comfortable for me. It's been a journey. This is the middle of the 4th year of my website, and I call my website a web magazine, an internet magazine, and in fact I have 3 of them: Your Health and Tech Friend, Your Health and Food Friend, and Your Health and Water Friend. And I have a YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel gives me a lot more sort of instant gratification and quicker feeling of success. The web pages themselves are what I started out doing. I started out doing a web page. It grew larger. It became what I call a website magazine, because I have it structured as such. The table of contents, departments and sections. I have sources and citations. I have references. I have a gratitude page, acknowledgments. I've got alphabetical indexes and transparency and corrections pages. So it has the structure and everything that I would say qualifies it as a magazine. But with that came such large responsibility. Working on the internet, having a website. For one thing, if you're doing it yourself, you're in business for yourself. I've been connected with Google AdSense as a publisher, a Google AdSense publisher, and as a publisher you're entitled to a lot of help on Google for webmasters, Google Analytics. They have tools, and they have a lot of learning ability. They have a lot of videos for learning and a lot of pages to read and sources for learning and educating yourself. And on Google AdSense itself, I've been involved with some of the blog and some of the help forum, and I can tell you some people are waiting for their W-2s, wondering why Google hasn't sent them their W-2. They believe that they're actually working for Google, when in fact they don't really understand that they are a business and that they're independent, and that they don't work for Google AdSense. Google AdSense is not an employer for a website publisher. Google AdSense is an avenue of earning income, and Google AdSense is the marketing intermediary between advertisers and website hosts or website operators, which sounds the best to me, website publishers. So if I'll take you on this journey with me, I'll tell you it's something. This is the middle of the fourth year, and they say 5 years. It takes about 5 years for your business to, for a business to either succeed or to begin turning a profit. And I took some time off because of family and other personal matters. I put some other things ahead of my work on the internet for a while, and so the business is reflected because of that. Its success is a little bit set back because of that. But that's where life took me, and that's where I wouldn't redo what I've done. I would do exactly what I have been doing, and it is exciting work, and it is challenging work, and it is ever broadening and ever deepening in all of the construction that is involved in what you see when you open up an internet page. There's a lot of work that goes behind that. When you open up a website, if it's really helpful to you and you enjoy it, just thank that person. Just mentally wish them well, to whatever your higher power is. Say a prayer for that person or persons, because it's a lot of work. It's a big endeavor. If you're with me on this, if you're a website publisher yourself, then I'm going to share with you the experience that I have and some of the mistakes that I make along the way, and the lessons that I learn. There's been some big lessons that I've already learned. One of them was in the file manager system in my first in the first company that I used. I had about maybe 200 to 300 web pages built, and I decided one day that they should all have different names, two different sets of names, one to distinguish the health files from the technology files. So I renamed all of them, not knowing that broke the connection and the links between every single one of them. And nothing connected, nothing showed, and it had been online. My website had been showing online, and I believe I had already submitted for Google AdSense, and so whatever that first penny was that I earned had come to a fast halt because the connections just broke. And that was one of my first major lessons in the website business. And I've already shared I have one or two other videos on some of the experiences that I've had, like not saving a file immediately, and you make a lot of changes to it, and all of a sudden you don't save it and your computer shuts down for some reason. It decides to restart. So along the way, as I'm learning more, I have learned a lot more. I've got some more to share with you, and I will. And I sure look forward to your videos for your help. Thank you if you are posting videos about your web experience. I appreciate your knowledge and your experience and your time in sharing. And wherever you are in your day, have a good day. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel or my web magazine. Bye-bye.